Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have a game changer in the world of cleaning, the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster. If you're tired of struggling with dust and hard-to-reach places, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive right into why this duster is making waves and why we believe it's the best microfiber duster available. First off, the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster boasts an impressive 4.7-star rating with over 18,000 reviews on Amazon. And it's Amazon's choice in household dust mops by OXO. That's a strong vote of confidence from thousands of satisfied customers. Now, let's talk about the features that set this duster apart from the competition. This duster traps and holds dust without the need for any cleaning chemicals, making it an eco-friendly and hypoallergenic option. The generous microfiber head covers a large surface with every swipe, ensuring efficient cleaning. Its slim profile allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces, reaching those areas that are usually hard to access. The microfiber head is not only effective but also easy to clean. You can simply unsnap it from the handle and throw it in the washing machine. No need for expensive replacements. And one more thing, it dries without using heat, preserving the integrity of the microfiber material. Using this duster is a breeze. Its soft and comfortable, non-slip grip ensures a secure hold, even during extended cleaning sessions. Plus, the duster's flexible head with long, fluffy fibers effortlessly reaches nooks and crannies, making dusting a breeze. What I really love about this product is its versatility. Whether you're tackling a light dusting job or going for a deep cleaning, the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster has got you covered. And with the option to buy replacement heads, you're investing in a long-lasting cleaning solution. But don't just take my word for it. Customers have been raving about this duster. Many have mentioned that it's a game changer and makes dusting enjoyable. It's perfect for allergy-prone households and delivers on its promise of efficient, residue-free cleaning. You can get this fantastic duster in a vibrant orange color, adding a pop of energy to your cleaning routine. The OXO Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster is available on Amazon for just $11.99, with the option for Prime shipping. You can even find it at a lower price from other sellers. So, it won't break the bank to invest in a cleaner home. In conclusion, if you're in search of the best microfiber duster that's efficient, eco-friendly, and user-friendly, the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Hand Duster is an excellent choice. With its stellar reviews and affordable price, it's a must-have cleaning tool for every household. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, if you've used this duster or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!